Welcome back to another full self-driving video. My name is Renato and thank you for tuning in. And in this video, we're gonna test some unprotected left turn in New York Hardware 3 vehicle version 12.5.4.2. So buckle up and enjoy the video together. Hey everyone, we are back with another full self-driving test, and in this video we're gonna test some unprotected left turn. This will be a tricky unprotected left turns test, but before that we have to also see how the car handles narrow road, double parked car situation and stuff like that. So if you are new in this channel, please hit that subscribe button because this video will get more interesting. So let's find out, guys. So we are proceeding. As you can see, we start for this stop sign and we are going. We can make this right turn. There is no other vehicle. A little bit of hesitation definitely after making this right turn. Okay, cool. We are moving forward, as you can see that, and our car is moving slowly, probably because of those leaves on the road, and the car is sometimes definitely gets confused because of the shadow and the lights and stuff like that. So we're gonna find out how Tesla FSD handles this situation, right guys? So we're gonna make a right turn here, but we're gonna stop behind this white line for this stop sign. We need to creep and look on our left side, so if there is no other vehicle. There is a vehicle. Okay, definitely had a little confusion there and immediately moved to the left side because we're gonna make a left turn on upcoming green light or traffic light. So yeah, when it was making that right turn, definitely had some hard time, like making that right turn. It couldn't calculate the space between those coming traffic and just gets confused and immediately make that right turn and increase the speed. Good thing, but it shouldn't get confused at the very first moment. So we are going, and on this traffic light we are gonna make a left turn, and then we are gonna test those unprotected left turn, but we're gonna see how the car handles the opposite traffic. So we stopped behind this white line, and then we have to wait for opposite side traffic. When it's clear, we can make this left turn. So let's find out how the car handles this situation. So after these cars, we can definitely make a left turn. So the car should have processed now. Okay. Yeah, it gets confused. Definitely it gets confused when making that left turn. That red car from the opposite side was coming fast, and it just gets confused. It was like, okay, I'm gonna go, I'm not gonna go, I'm gonna go, I'm not gonna go. These are the things, guys, we have to deal with. So we are going. As you can see, we're gonna make a left here, and then again, confusion. You see, there is no vehicle on our left side, right side, but the car gets confused. Again, for garbage can, just confused. So these are the things, guys, we have to deal. So I'm gonna take over and put the destination so that we can test that unprotected left turn. This is a tricky unprotected left turn where the car also gets confused and the sun is directly hitting in the camera. We're gonna find out how Tesla FSD handles this sun situation, also this unprotected left turn. So buckle up, guys. We are gonna make a right turn on this stop sign and immediately make a U-turn, but we need to stop before this stop sign. Need to creep to look on our left side and right side, and there is vehicle. There is still traffic and the light just changed to red. We can now proceed, I guess, definitely, and goes behind that car. No. You should just go like that car just did. Whatever that car was, it did just go to the left turn lane and make a U-turn. So the car FSD came to the next block to make this U-turn. Not a big issue, but you shouldn't do that at the very first moment. So I'm just gonna give 50% mark on this left turn. I'm gonna take over now and we're gonna do it one more time. So let's do it, guys. Unprotected left number 2 in New York Hardware 3 vehicle. The sun is hitting in the cameras. We're gonna find out how the car handles this unprotected left turn. So let's find out, guys. So we're gonna stop on this stop sign, and then we need to creep to look on our left side, and then we're gonna go straight, make a right, and immediately make a U-turn. But there are traffic on our left side, so it shouldn't proceed now. It is waiting until those two cars pass, and then we can go straight. It is going this time, and immediately make a right turn. It shouldn't do that. Again, one more time, same mistake. The car did just like make a right turn, and now it is just rerouting us through a different road. So I'm gonna take it, guys, one more time, and we're gonna do it one more time. I count this as a fail because the car should have just go straight, make a right turn, wait over there for the opposite side traffic, and make a U-turn, but the car was hesitating and not doing the right thing. So yeah, we're gonna do one more time, guys, so let's do it. Unprotected left, number 3 in New York, last 2 times. First time it did it, but went to the next block, and the second time it completely gets failed. And now the sun is hitting in the cameras. We need to stop in this stop sign, and then we can make a right turn. Definitely the sun is very bright today. It is hitting in the camera. We need to creep to look on our left side. You shouldn't proceed. Okay, slow down. Okay, yes. You need to creep. And after this car, we should just go straight. You shouldn't go and make a right turn. You just go straight, and then you make a U-turn, and now you cannot do it because there is our vehicle behind us. Like, I don't get it. Like, very frustrating, guys. Very, very frustrating. Because what I was saying is the car should have just go straight and make a right turn and then make a U-turn. I really don't get it, like why the car is doing this. So we're gonna do one more time, guys. Let's do it. Unprotected left, number 4 in New York, Hardware 3 vehicle version 12.5.4.2, and the sun is blasting in the cameras, guys. So we're gonna see how the car handles. So as you can see, we need to stop on this stop sign, then we need to creep, and after there is no other vehicle on the left side or no traffic, we can proceed straight and make a right turn or make a U-turn. As you can see, there is a car on our left side. So, no, okay, that car, I don't get it, like why would you do that? Oh, yeah, again, same mistake. It came here, and now waiting, there is no vehicle behind us, so I'm just gonna allow it to do it. But it make that U-turn from here. It is just following the GPS, but we can definitely make a U-turn from that lane, this lane on my left side, but the car is choosing this time like very weird things. I really don't know why. There is a car coming on from our left side, and the car tries to proceed. I really don't understand when there is a car coming. Why would you proceed? Like, why do you want to proceed? There is no reason. If there is a car coming from a left side and this is a fast road, you shouldn't proceed, guys. Very frustrating. So we're gonna do one more unprotected left turn. Unprotected left, number 5 in New York, Hardware 3 vehicle. Let's do it, guys. The sun is blasting in the cameras, so hopefully the car will see it. And Hardware 3 vehicle version 12.5.4.2. We need to stop on this stop sign, then we need to creep and look on our left side. There is no vehicle now. Again, making this right turn. Okay, that, no, wow, very good. And it ends with a perfect unprotected left turn. Probably just don't go now. Please don't go. Don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. Yes, now you can go after these two cars. Please make it happen so that I can end this video with a positive note. It did it perfectly, guys. It did it perfectly, guys. The last one was perfect. Amazing. Amazing, guys. I have to tell you that. Amazing unprotected left turn. The last one especially, other than those first 4 where the car fails every single time, guys. Let me know in the comment what you think about this unprotected left turn test in your Carter 3 vehicle. Please comment below. I need your opinion. I need to know what you think about this performance, guys, right? So thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. That'll be amazing. Please join my community, because I want to test and I love to film Tesla full self-driving videos. And thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day.